Hello traders, this is IQ School Team. Today I'm gonna have little gap with you and talk about our new offer that you saw in last video. So I'm gonna answer your one question and three important subject and talk about that maybe you have this question and maybe this is your important questions and subjects. So let's start. First of all, why you should trust us? Because we make sure that if you follow our signals, you will make the 100% guaranteed profit. And it means that you don't need to anything do it anything, just follow our signals, and we make sure you have 100%, make sure 100% guarantee profit. It is simple, guys. You don't need to do anything. You just need follow our signal, follow our recommendation, follow our plan, and we make sure you have 100% guarantee profit. It is simple, and this is a good and big opportunity for you. So the second subject is our team is different from others because we don't take any advance pay from you. After make your earning, then you may pay us, or you don't like our signal, you don't need to pay us. We are not forcing you. This is a big and good things, and one of our offers and one of our better points, because we will you don't need to pay us from your pocket. You just paying us from your earning money. If you like our signal and our styles signals, then you can pay our payment. And if you don't like, you don't need to pay us, and you don't just ignore us, and you don't need to pay us. We are not forcing you. This is one of our good points, because our team rules is that you don't need to pay us from your pocket. You just paying us from your earning money. If you like our signals, then you can pay us, and if you don't like our signals, then you don't need to pay us, and you don't need to pay us. We are not forcing you for this point. Okay, the third subject is responsibility. Other channels never take your money responsibility, but we are different. We are taking your money responsibility and give you profits guaranteed. What does that mean? It means that we are take all responsibility of your money, and we will guarantee that uh, you will make a good and acceptable profit from broker. We will guarantee that and take your all money responsibility. So what does that mean? Mean that uh, take take all responsibility on your money, and make sure good profit. Yeah, guys. The next subject is our target. What is our target? My paid and free all students are inventing to join our channel. Our target is to reach 500 people for starting our business. So share this video and help us to reach 500 people in our channel. And after we reached reached 500 people, we will uh, start signals, and it means that start business be our business. So share this video and make sure that you will join our Telegram channel. I mean this channel that I will show you. This is our channel. The link is IQ school signal. I will share the link in below of this video on the box. Share, subscribe our Telegram channel, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and then we will reach more 500 persons. Then we will start fast as possible. So okay guys, remember, we are different, and we will help you to make money. This is our point, and this is our better, because we are better than other channel. This is a new revolution. This idea is a new revolution in binary options markets. So okay, subscribe our channel, subscribe our Telegram channel and YouTube channel both. Like and share this video to reach 500% as soon as possible. Okay.